Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, so I just finished watching Uthando Nesithembu, I don't know for the how manyth time. And so as I was watching iscene kaMacele when she visited Ngibo ezingolweni, I noticed ukuthi it looks like uMacele ngathi nguye omncane ngibo. When I look at her sisters, it looks like she's she might not be the youngest, but she looks younger than everyone else that I saw there. But indlela abamphatha ngayo, it's giving breadwinner. It's giving breadwinner indlela abamphatha ngayo. I don't know ukuthi mhlawumbe maybe ba rehearsile that whole scene because no ways, there's no way. Anyways, I just want to talk about the fact that the way obsession kaMacele with uMayeni and obsession yakhe with ukuthi athi yena uMayeni nguye ongamfuni, because she said uMayeni nguye ohamba phambili komseleku ongamfuniyo because uMayeni apparently believes ukuthi she is the first wife ekhanda lakhe. Hayi shem, sengicabanga ukuthi guys maybe akhona amanye ama-scenes abawakhathayo nxa ishow idlala singawaboni, mhlawumbe lapho uMayeni abe laye ezibonakalisa ukuthi nguye umamkhulu thina singabonanga, because i-storyline sikaMacele esokuthi yena lo Mayeni babanga i-first wife position, it honestly sibukeka singathi it's just on her side kuphela, nguye nje kuphela umuntu ozicabangela ukuthi uMayeni uyamlwisa for the first wife position. Yeah ne. But I don't know, ngike ngicabanga ukuthi khona maybe uMacele mhlawumbe, maybe because since she knows ukuthi umpumelelo umdala kulolwandle, maybe ule that thing eyokuthi maybe that puts uMayeni in front of her or something. Yazangazi, I'm just right now because I'm like, where is this coming from? Okunye guys, maybe i-production imlandile uMacele yathi Macele, you don't have a storyline. You don't have a storyline, you have to create a storyline, like you have to put in more work. Mhlawumbe uMacele wathi say no more. Nango ke manje usehlokoza uMayeni. Guys, uMayeni uyakhuluma Nkosi yami, uMayeni uyakhuluma ngathi nje bangamiyeka nje azithulele azidlalele uCandy Crush, but mabe emhlokoza kanje, it's not gonna end well. And futhi it's not the first time uMacele echo ukuthi khona uMayeni acts like, or uMayeni uzibona ngathi uyi first wife, and honestly I can't remember of any time uMayeni retaliate khona kakhulu ukuthi athi ayibo vele ngiyi first wife and stuff. I've never seen that scene kahle kahle. So yikho ngithi khona maybe there are scenes that they don't show us on the show ezibonisa ukuthi khona uMayeni uke azenze yena ngathi azibone nje ngathi yena nguye umamkhulu. Guys, uMacele waze wathi khona guys, mina ngiyasishaya istin sami sikhulu futhi sibhlu. Yo, hi guys, I wonder ukuthi abolwandle labantwana nje bakaMacele, when they see that part, what are they gonna say? Maybe vele abantwana bakomseleku, they don't even watch the show because they'll be cringing all the time, so maybe they've just made peace with not watching it. Hi, but no, that was so wrong. That looked so wrong, guys. Are you Macele? Honestly, I expected more from her, like I expected more from her, but hey, this season ngathi nje ubuye nje ngenye angle esingayijwayelanga. ifamily yakoMacele layo guys ukungena endabeni zakoMseleku kangaka, hayibo, yazi iyangena iganxamele nje iphakathi inside, deep inside. Unyeywa uMayeni useze bizwa ngokuthi omunye ungunumber 3. So uMacele ubesebatshela phela i-genealogy yokuthi bathathwa njani. Ethi yena ubaba uMseleku ngemva kokuba eselobole kwaCele wahamba kwaMasaul, wasuka kwaMasaul waya koMayeni, wasuka koMayeni waya koMakhumalo, wasuka koMakhumalo waya koMangwabi, wasuka koMangwabi waya the last wife uKosamke, right? And then one of the sisters is like, so phela that makes uMayeni not even the second wife but the third. No, futhi akatsho ukuthi uMayeni usisi uthe khona yena so utsho ukuthi first wife nguwe Macele, number 2 nguMasaul, then lo omunye number 3. Lo omunye in courts sebeze bambiza bathi ngulo omunye abasemqambi ngebizo. Hayi baphakathi inside. I mean ukunyeya vele onke umuntu uyanyeya kahle, but I'm like ezinye izinto mina if kuyikuthi usisi wami nguyoyindela esithenjini sebezonyeya sister wife bakhe, mina I would say yabona this one don't film it, asinyeyeni nje singikhaya ayibe ngeyomdeni nje sinye yabo, but ingafilmwa le because izasehlisela isithunzi, because iyehlisa isithunzi, iyehlisa isidima esabona nguVuyo, hayibo iyehlisa isidima phansi isidima. Kambe a whole family benyeya uMayeni. Hey guys, no ways. And futhi you know sometimes abantu bayayenza into, especially abantu beyimuli bayayenza into beyibona ukuthi this thing is wrong, but ke umuntu lo uyasondla phela sizothini. That is why be supporta nje. I'm thinking so. That is why be supporta nje into ama decisions kababa uMseleku and stuff, because mhlawumbe maybe breadwinner vibes, you know. Is nje. So yeah, but anyway, but it was cringe to watch. It's a bad thing to watch, especially abantu abadala kangaka. Hayibo. Phela that thing was giving high school vibes. That whole scene, especially the parts of ngoMayeni, it was giving high school vibes. Enye into enginanzelelayo guys, angazi kumbe nale nanzelela, uMacele uyathanda ukuplaya ukuzenza victim in situations. So ubaba uMseleku watshela uMangwabe on TV, wonke umuntu ebukele, wathi yena ugule evela koMacele ngemva kokuba esuke koMacele family yakoCele. Then uMangwabe on the diary sessions wasesithi khona yena uMseleku uthi ugule esuka koCele asazi bamenzeni. Right? This is how the thing happened. Now uMacele usetshela ifamily yakhe uthi guys ukuthi ubaba bakhe wagula esuka kini, so yini namgulisa. Kodwa uyibonile ishow ukuthi manje so ungathi uMangwabe uyamcala ukuthi khona ucala ifamily yakhe ukuthi khona yifamily yakhe yagulisa ubabakhe, so kungathi uMangwabe mhlawumbe kumbe uhambe enyangeni kumbe ucha amathambo amtshela ukuthi hayi ubaba uMseleku waguliswa ifamily yakoCele. Kube kuyikuthi ubaba uMseleku nguye otshele uMangwabe on TV la uMacele ukubonile umzulu uMseleku etshela uMangwabe ukuthi hayi ngigule ngisuka ngaphi ukuyabona ifamily yakoCele. Why engathi ukuthi khona yena ubaba uMseleku ukuthi yini namgulisa, use insinuate manje ukuthi uMangwabe says ukuthi yabo waqeda lapho wathi yena vele sekwazi ukuthi yonke into nje ebhedayo kuthiwa nguMacele, yonke into ebhedayo kuthiwa nguMacele. Hayi mama wabantu, right now usuzenza i-victim la lapho nje ungela sidingo khona. maybe she should have cleared ukuthi khona asimgulisanga thina ubaba uMselo if she felt there was a need, but indlela nje abesekubeka ngayo ubesezenza i-victim. Even in the issue kaMayeni, it's victim mentality yona le futhi, ukuthi yena ufuna ukuthi kuthiwe uMayeni akamfuni, victim mentality, because thina asikaze besitshengise on the show ukuthi uMayeni akamfuni. uMayeni on, if anything, uMayeni nje, she is ever fighting with her husband. She's ever fighting with her husband, uMayeni, not uMacele, you know. So asazi guys. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you on my next one.